Can you tell us about yourself?
I recently graduated with a degree in business administration. During my studies, I completed an internship where I gained hands-on experience in office administration, including data entry and document management. I am highly organized, detail-oriented, and eager to apply my skills in a professional setting.
How do you handle multitasking and prioritizing tasks?
I prioritize tasks by assessing their urgency and importance. For example, if I have multiple deadlines, I list out all tasks and determine which ones need immediate attention. I use tools like to-do lists and calendar reminders to stay organized and ensure that all tasks are completed on time.
Describe a time when you faced a challenge at work and how you overcame it.
During my internship, I was tasked with organizing a large volume of files within a tight deadline. I created a systematic approach by categorizing documents and setting milestones to track progress. By staying focused and breaking the task into smaller parts, I was able to complete it on time and with high accuracy.
How do you ensure accuracy and attention to detail in your work?
I ensure accuracy by double-checking my work and using tools such as spell check and data validation software. I also take my time to review my work thoroughly before submission to catch any errors. If necessary, I seek feedback from colleagues to ensure that my work meets the required standards.
How do you handle difficult or irate clients?
I handle difficult clients by remaining calm and listening actively to their concerns. I empathize with their situation and try to address their issues promptly and effectively. If needed, I escalate the matter to a senior team member, ensuring that the client feels heard and valued throughout the process.
What skills do you bring to this position that make you a good fit?
I bring strong organizational skills, proficiency in office software like MS Office Suite, and a positive attitude towards teamwork. My attention to detail and ability to manage multiple tasks efficiently will help me contribute effectively to your team.
Why are you interested in this office clerk position?
I am interested in this position because it aligns with my career goals of working in office administration and contributing to a professional team. I am particularly excited about the opportunity to work at your company, where I can apply my skills and continue to learn and grow in a supportive environment.
How do you manage repetitive tasks and keep them engaging?
I manage repetitive tasks by developing efficient systems and routines to streamline processes. I also set small goals to stay motivated and periodically review my approach to find ways to improve or add variety to my tasks. Keeping a positive mindset helps me stay engaged and productive.
What are your long-term career goals?
My long-term career goal is to advance within the field of office administration, potentially moving into roles with greater responsibility such as office manager or administrative supervisor. I plan to continuously develop my skills and seek opportunities for professional growth to contribute more effectively to the organization.